Hello there, lovely viewers. Here we are again, ready for another adventure in the world of AI image generation. Are you ready? Well then, let's dive in. Oops, a new custom node has appeared. But no worries, we already know the drill, right? That's why we're going to breeze through this in an ultra turbo speed run at 100x speed. Blink and you'll miss it. And of course, we can't forget the full update, as always. And with that, we're done, finished. Well, that was a piece of cake, wasn't it? On to the next adventure. Alright folks, let's hit Q prompt once, and there you go. In the default delivery settings, the test workflow should now run. Now that's pretty neat, isn't it? We don't need the browser in the bottom area. Just click on the X and it's gone. Now it's time to sit back and relax while the magic of AI does its thing. Boing. Wow. I love it. Now, let's take a look at the new features in version 6, and of course, we can't forget to share some tips for using ComfyUI. Here we go. Let's start with the custom nodes by rgthree, developed by rgthree. These nodes are simply wonderful, and I use them throughout my workflow. A big thank you to the developer for this amazing contribution. If there are ever any issues, you might need to uncheck this box. But by default, it really boosts the speed, especially with large workflows like this one. And with this tool, you can detect a corrupted workflow. It's even helped Murphy out once. Murphy has expanded the styler group even further, allowing us to use special stylers with a clip L and a clip G. We can easily switch between them up here. Down here, you can see what's saved in the style files, and you can read the prompt that's being used. If you're interested in learning how to create your own stylers, for example using ChatGPT, just drop a comment below. Choose one for the standard stylers and two for the different clip stylers. Of course, you can set every styler to none if you don't want to use them. It's even easier if you just press bypass up here. That way, the stylers won't be used at all. Here you can choose where the style should be inserted in the prompt. This has a significant impact on the image generation. Just play around with it and see what happens. If you prefer to enter your prompt in a different language, you're in the right place. However, you can also use this area just to test a different prompt variation. Here you can turn on the translator and select the language. You can actually leave the area for the second prompt turned on all the time. It doesn't cost any performance. I would turn off the translator area if you don't need a translation. If you don't want to use a style and also don't want to fill in specific clip L and clip G values during prompting, this node is for you. It simply fills, it copies if nothing is entered. Just take a look. Here you choose which prompt group you want to use. And here, whether you want to use the Start Styler group or if you prefer to use your own style prompt or a mix of both. Murphy has outsourced the main style. But you can also easily incorporate all other style groups by rearranging the noodles. Here are two things you might not be aware of yet. Brand new is the Auto CFG. Pretty cool stuff. It automatically sets the CFG to an appropriate value. We can't tell you how well it works just yet. Also, we've reintegrated the advanced Freu version 2 after an update and replaced the regular Freu nodes. Alrighty, let's head into the control center. Pressing 7, and voila, we're there. Let's see what's changed. Oh, handfix, that's exciting. But hold on a second, looks like Murphy forgot to hook something up here. It works great if you want to do both at once, but we prefer to take things one at a time. Let's turn on the handfix group and take a closer look. Oh, this is interesting. If I understand correctly, there's a little problem here. Hand detection runs into an error if there are no hands in the image. And to generate the new image, a control network was supposed to help create the hands better. But that didn't work out so well. That's why Murphy removed it, because it costs computation time. Oh look, the face crop group here looks just like the handfix group. Ah, now I understand. It works the same way too. But if you want, you can improve both the face and the hands in one go. Then the noodle from face crop to handfix makes sense. What are all these switches for? Let's see if I understand them. Okay, only crop, one. Then I need one here. And in the back? That seems irrelevant here. And for both? Okay, then I need 2 here and in the next one too. Or 4 in Paint 2 here and 1 in the next one. Okay, and then I can, those are 2 samplers and I can, if I only need one of them, just switch one on. Now I got it. Oh, here we go. Here I can enter what I want to mask. Default, of course, face. But if I want, I can also switch here to 2 and mask manually in the preview bridge. For example, if I want to mask the face slightly differently or something completely crazy. IP-Atapter, here we go. Let's dive in and see what adventures await us. Hey guys, here we go. No need to noodle around with extra connections for the IP-Atapter, they're already set by default. They're fired up and ready to roll, so let's dive in. Alright, let's keep it simple with number 1 for now. All masking functionalities are still inactive. Here, we could activate the different types of masking. Okay, looks like we're missing the IP-Atapter models. It's not going to be as quick as we thought. We need to download them first. Let me show you some information about them. Let's use the manager and take a look at the IP-Atapter custom nodes. Check out this page, everything is explained really well, and the videos are excellent. Highly recommended for anyone working with the IP-Atapter. Hey folks, today we're keeping it short and sweet. I'll just show you where to download the models and how we work with the Ultimate 6 workflow. Here you can read everything at your leisure. With the IP-Atapter you have many options. Murphy has a few more things he wants to do with it, but the masking tools already offer a lot. The easiest way is once again through the manager. Just watch. I've selected an IP-Atapter model here that we can achieve good results with. The others are all interesting as well, but let's leave that aside for now.
IP-Atapter plus SDXL VITH. Safe tensors. Clip Vision Model, IP Adapter, Clip VTH14 LAN 2 BS32BB 79K.
Here we quickly show you where the models are usually stored. Alright, let's select that, and then we're ready to go. But a restart definitely wouldn't hurt. Let's do it real quick. Let's head into the control room with that magical 7, and then let's connect the ID adapter with the upscale for a before and after comparison. Time to blend some serious tech flavors. Model check. So, let's stick with number 1 for now. Because if we start getting too crazy already, who knows what else might happen. And of course, we're definitely turning on follow execution so you can see everything happening one after the other. Get cozy and get ready for some surprises. The lady is already familiar to us, but this time we're going to enchant her a little more. And now it begins. The IP adapter node starts to work its magic. It's magic. Oh my comfy UI, that was amazing. A completely magical outcome. Wow, just wow. Let's dive in. We're just rinsing through the settings for now, sticking with option 1 without any masking, just to get a feel for what's possible. If you want to dive even deeper, I highly recommend checking out Mateo's videos, the developer of the IP adapter. They're really awesome. Here are the standard options for adjustments: the IP adapter strength, the prompt strength, the processing method, when the IP adapter should kick in, and when it should stop. Alright, let's have some fun. We're grabbing a different image and tinkering with some settings. Just watch as we goof around a bit. Hey guys, look what we have here. We're currently working on the example image. It won't be particularly pretty. But don't worry, we've already increased the speed so you don't have to wait too long for the result. And next we'll use a much nicer image so you can see what else is possible. Stay tuned. Let's see what else we can do. How about a train? That's going to be exciting. Wow, awesome. Alright, buckle up folks, we're diving into step 2 and trying out manual masking. Now, we have absolutely no idea what we're doing here, but hey, fortune favors the bold, right? Watch as we work our magic. Well, would you look at that? I'm jumping for joy here. We're absolutely smashing it.
Ja, wir rocken einfach die Bude. Wir sind echt der Hammer. Okay, zurück zum Originalbild und ein bisschen vom Originalprompter zu mischen. Lasst uns mal sehen, was dabei rauskommt.
That's really crazy how well everything is working, right? Okay, now let's move on to step 3. I'm really curious to see how this works with these two images and the automatic masking. Let's do it. Let's take Murphy and the castle. Let's see how they blend with our generated image. Murphy seems to be missing from the picture. But the lady in the castle? They're coming through, wow, cool. But I think that's enough, let's move on to step 4. The viewers have already grasped how it works. Last time, we showed you how we painted using Alek-Node. This time, we're using the image from last week. Folks, buckle up because things are about to get really exciting. We're stepping into uncharted territory, dear viewers. We're incredibly curious to see what awaits us here, and we can't wait to explore it with you. This is a milestone for us, and we're so thrilled that you're here to experience it with us. Let's dive in and see what this new adventure has in store for us. Oh, and by the way, this is our very first attempt at using the IP-Atapter in this way. So let's find out together what happens. Oh, we need to use the green node to select an image for the background. But it seems like we don't have many options to choose from. What should we pick? Oh, I know, how about the lady in red? Oh, okay, let's just go with the girl. Let's give it another try with Murphy and the castle. Okay, this is taking forever. Probably because we're working with just a laptop with a 3070 graphics card. But hey, no worries, we'll just speed up the video for you guys. That was 99 seconds in time lapse. For the first time, really good. It almost worked as we imagined. But since it took so long, let's take a look at the multi-control net for the grand finale. Alright, let's see what's there. Here you can select 3 images. Input 1 seems to be for the original image we generated, and then 3 more to set the style or whatever. Woman, Eiffel Tower and horse, okay. Oh my god, that's me. This is insane. Of course, we have to use that. I'll use the picture of me as a reference for the IP-Atapter. Oh, I don't know. Oh well, whatever, I'll just take that girl there. Yeah. Now I'm being painted. Cool. Quickly. Great. Wow. Oh, no. That's not me. I need to fix some settings. Okay, I'll remove the others a bit, more of me, the others a bit away. Now. Wow. So beautiful. But hey, what's with the jawline? Are they still intact? I don't have that many teeth. Alright, now let's tweak the settings a bit. And of course, beautiful woman has to be in there. Now we're talking. Oh, beautiful. Here's one more thing that comes to mind. Who's the fairest of them all? Of course, it's Ziggy, that's known to all.